John here with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures. So I want to give a little introduction, a little background on this video that's coming up. So there was this meetup that Dee from Native Tearz got it together. And so she got Matt and Kay from Happy Trails Hiking. And she also got, we didn't get to meet her, but she got to meet Belle from Don't Be Late for the Dinner, Belle. And I think this was a good meetup, and this was really like a first in-person collab. I've done collabs virtually, you know, where we all share clips and we all kind of like build videos and whatnot together, but this was, we actually got to meet up, so this was very awesome. And I hope to do it again sometime in the future. So I wasn't real good about taking video at this. So if you check out the video that Happy Trails Hiking I did, I have a video, I'll have that linked. She had a video, I'll have that linked too. I was pretty good at taking video there, but once we got back to camp, it just, you know, kind of fell apart, and I was just happy and, you know, having a good time, and wasn't cognizant of, you know, making a story, making a video. But so I want to share some of the clips that I took, and so you can get, you know, a little bit of perspective of our night hanging out. Had a good fire, had some good food, and you'll see some of the pics and whatnot. So really enjoyed it, and please go check out Dee's channel, Native Tearz, and check out Kay and Matt's channel, Happy Trails Hiking. So stay tuned. Flying squirrel, I appreciate that, flying squirrel. This is our campsite, campsite 37, here at Babler State Park. Got the chicken going for dinner, smoking some chicken. Got some beverages on the table. Kay with Happy Trails Hiking is petting Abby.
Get my puppy loves in.
So I had the choice between 37 and 38, and I definitely prefer 37 over campsite 38. 38 is very open, but I mean, if that's what you're looking for, it does have better, probably, tent spots. But they're both non-electric, and you know, since we had the choice between the two, I really do like 37 more because it's a little more private.
Okay, I'm good. Thank you, I'm sorry. I was like, wait, I'm gonna wait till those flip.
I'm the pit master.
What do you mean, like over here?
Here, let's see.
So we tried Gentleman Jack Glenlivet, Mulligan's, Jameson, Buffalo Trace, Elijah, Craig, and I think my new favorite is the Mulligan's Bourbon. It's very easy to drink. Revived the fire this morning. The stump was still there, or the trunk, 2 logs. I had killed the fire last night and threw an extra log on there and picked up some twigs and whatnot. But yeah, that's all the firewood. So all good things must come to an end. Good camping weekend. Great weather. Really enjoyed it. Since we're at a campsite with no electricity, we're making coffee a little different this morning. Borrowed this from my sister-in-law. Got the grounds in there. We got a filter. Put that on there. We set this down in the water. We got 16 cups, 16 ounces, I don't know. Then we put that in there. Put the lid on, so the water basically boils, comes up out of this little pipe here, and then it goes down into the filter. And we put the lid on. There you go. So we are going to turn this one on. And now we're making coffee. Probably like 20 minutes for this to be done. So walking down to Matt and Kay's campsite to steal some coffee. Be right back. This walking stick from the camper is about to climb up the back of the camper. That's pretty cool. It really looks like a stick. That's amazing. Great camouflage. Here's the top of the camper view of Site 37. Got our campfire down there. Abby's looking off into the woods. Amphitheater's right behind us. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the amphitheater. There's the trail down to the amphitheater. And this is the whole reason I climbed up here, is to see what's up on the slide, to clean it off so it doesn't get stuck in there. So it's actually pretty clean, surprisingly, with all these walnuts that are dropping. Right, it's a hot fire. I just dumped 5 gallons of water in it. There's bubbling. I got 5 more gallons to put on. Hey, Gabby. You want to tell him? You want to tell him? Well, I'll tell him for you. She wants to say, remember, get outside, have some fun, and thanks for watching.